हे गाइस, दिस इज़ अभिषेक फ्रॉम द फ्रेंडली बैंटर्स। कोरोना काल का टाइम है। मैं अब कुछ दिनों के लिए अपने होम टाउन जमशेदपुर आया हुआ हूँ। ज़्यादा इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करूँगा। आज मैं आपको एक ऐसे इंसान, एक ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से मिलाना चाह रहा हूँ जो कि कुछ कमाल का काम कर रही है जमशेदपुर में। क्या कर रही है, उससे पहले मैं ये अब बोलना चाहूँगा कि आप सभी को पता होगा कि अगर आप जमशेदपुर से हैं तो एक जगह है जिसका नाम है डिबना लेक। बहुत सुंदर जगह है, हम सभी जाते हैं वहाँ पर। लेकिन अगर आपने ध्यान दिया होगा कि ऑफ लेट डिबना लेक में आपने जमकर कचरा फैलाया है। जहाँ तहाँ कचरा फैलाया हुआ है। इसका प्रॉब्लम यह है कि आजकल हम और आप ही डिबना लेक के उन सब जगह में जहाँ पर कचरा पड़ा हुआ है, जहाँ पर हमने पिकनिक बनाया हुआ है, जहाँ पर हमने सिगरेट के पैकेट्स फेंके हुए हैं, वहीं पर जाकर बैठने से हम सभी कतराते हैं। इसका ज़िम्मेदार कौन है? हम और आप, राइट। लेकिन एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, एक इंसान है जिसने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया हुआ है। इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम है ग्रीन कैप्स, और इन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लिया हुआ है कि ये जमशेदपुर के उन सभी जगहों को कचरा मुक्त करेंगे जहाँ पर हमने कचरा फैलाया हुआ है, जैसे कि डिबना लेक, एग्रीको, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। ये उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। पर खैर छोड़िए उन सब बातों को, आपको सीधा उन्हीं के साथ बात कराते हैं जिन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया हुआ है, जिन्होंने ये करके दिखाया है कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है।
Hey guys, so right now मैं अभी डिबना लेक में हूँ and you can see that आज विसर्जन का सीन्स है। So आज से पहले तक ऐसा होता था कि यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा कचरा होता था, but you can see that this is now quite organized. Some people have taken this initiative to make this lake clean and to segregate all the waste. So the organization which is behind this is basically Green Caps, and we'll talk to Mr. Amit, who is the founder of Green Caps, right now to know what is this about. Hi Amit, my name is Abhishek and guys, this is Amit. Amit, थोड़ा सा एक बार कैप उठा देना। Yeah, this is one wonderful soul who has taken this initiative, जो यहाँ पर इतना जो कचरा है इसको ऑर्गेनाइज करके सेग्रीगेट करने में मदद कर रहे हैं। अमित, बस मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि हाउ डिड यू गेट टू दिस आइडिया?
Cleanliness is not something that we need to get an idea about. I visited this place for the first time on 14th of September last month. It was my first visit to this place. I came with 3 friends of mine and I noticed how dirty it was. It was like a dumpster actually.
Absolutely.
Everywhere alcohol bottles, plastic plates, cups, cigarette packs, matchsticks and everything, all sorts of garbage, clothes, mud utensils and everything.
Correct.
So I thought I'll clean this place.
Correct.
I didn't have an idea at that time that it will take this long. I'm still cleaning this place.
Right.
But when I said that I'll clean this place, out of 3 friends, one of my friends said that he'll also join me. He's there, Umang is his name.
Okay.
So he said he'll join me, and then next day we both came. I posted on Facebook if someone's interested, and slowly with the word of mouth, we are here like maybe 30-40
Nice,
people
yeah.
who are there anytime we need them.
Absolutely amazing initiative, Amit. So what I would ask is, what is the kind of problems that you are facing at this point of time?
I would say it's our nature to not care about things which we think we are not responsible about. Like if we don't dirty our home, we'll get a slap from our mothers if we
Absolutely.
do that. But when we come here, even the women, I think, we just eat chips packet, we pluck it off the tip and then we throw it. We don't care. We think that someone will clean, someone is getting paid for it. But if that someone doesn't come, this is what happened when I saw. Like it was a COVID season, nobody was cleaning it. Anytime also nobody cleans it. It's only in the picnic season that Jusco comes.
Correct.
Otherwise no one does.
Correct.
It was like a dumpster. We have already removed about 5,000 kgs of garbage from here.
Absolutely.
And about 12,000 plus bottles.
That's
And
nice.
I'm sure it's still twice the amount which still left to clean.
True.
It's
true.
all in the bushes. We plan to cut it all, make it all smooth ground. So it's a long plan.
It's a long plan. It's a good plan. You have started it. You will absolutely achieve it. So how are you getting monetized? Like how are you affording this?
Actually, Most of the thing, like 3-4 of us are there who are paying for most of the stuff now. But we started a fundraiser and we got about 26,000 rupees. We haven't used it yet because till now, in plus we have already spent by ourselves. Luckily, I am from a job where I can afford a little, but I can't do it all.
Having said that, what do you work? How do you work and where do you work?
I am a marine engineer.
Oh, amazing!
So I came here on holidays and this is how I'm spending it.
Absolutely amazing. Huh?
Every single day, 6:30 in the morning, we are here. If no one's here, at least I am here. Only when it's raining, we don't come. But otherwise,
this is the kind of motivation we need, guys. And what do you do with this segregated waste?
Yeah, we have asked them because you see, if we don't ask them to keep it here, they'll just throw it all together in the water, and none of it decomposes in the water.
Absolutely, yeah.
They say, but none of it. Neither the flour decomposes nor the mud one.
Correct.
Those puja diyas all.
Absolutely.
There are still lots of those stuff from the last year which is still in the water. So after we have kept it here, we'll segregate the plastic, the biodegradable stuff and the non-biodegradable stuff. The non-biodegradable stuff will go in the dustbins, and for the biodegradable stuff, we have, with the help of JUFCO, we had got pits dug over here, which we were about to use for compost making. So 2 of the pits we have kept untouched for this thing. So all the puja things which are biodegradable will go in those pits.
Makes sense, yeah. That's absolutely amazing planning. You are doing some absolutely amazing job. And I see you have recruited these small kids who used to just randomly run and collect things till last year. Have you recruited these kids to help you now?
Actually, they are like scavengers. They can segregate all the things in like few minutes actually.
Yeah.
So they were doing it. So I told them to, instead of just throwing things around, keep it in a place for us.
Right.
And I helped them with the breakfast and all. So they were all happy with it. So they got the breakfast, and they'll do it for us. Most of the team members are on that side. They are doing the same work that side.
Right.
So this side I got the kids. So along with them we are doing it.
Makes sense.
It's better to utilize all the manpower.
Absolutely.
They are using their energy. So let's channelize it and make it easy.
Nice,
And
Amit.
in terms, instead of just being there all day in the sun to find few coins,
Correct.
I helped them with the breakfast.
Yeah, basically organizing this sector. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing job, Amit. I hope that you achieve whatever you are planning for. I hope a lot of people do join you. So I'm going to post this video. I will try to make I'll try to increase as much awareness as we can about this thing, and also I'll try to join you guys in this.
I would like to just tell people there are many ways in which you can support us. Coming here physically, but our plan is not to clean every day.
Right.
Our plan is to make people aware not to throw garbage.
Educate people.
We can get the dustbins cleared every single day.
Makes sense.
We cannot keep coming here and cleaning the same place. We have already done about, I think, 7 times. Today might be the 8th time. So we can't do that for every day. But if you all use the dustbins, that is a help. When you see a person throwing garbage outside, not using the dustbin, if you just request the person, whether he or she listens or not, just one request is enough, no forcing. That is another help. Other than that, we also need funds. The equipments we are trying to buy, all those biodegradable bags which are quite expensive,
Right.
all those things, and then if you see, there are boards and banners placed everywhere. We are recycling dustbins. The water tanks which you all don't use, which are leaking, which are damaged, we cut them, we paint them, we put reflector stickers, we make dustbins out of them.
Right.
So we recycle it. Instead of that ending up in a garbage, that collects the garbage. So if you have those things, you can suggest us, we can collect it from you.
Absolutely.
And you can donate on
Sure.
our Instagram link. On the bio, there is a link for donation.
Can you tell me what is the Instagram link?
Yeah, my Instagram link, our Instagram link is greencaps.jsr.
Greencaps.jsr.
Facebook is greencapsjsr.
Greencapsjsr. And what is your Instagram link, Amit?
Mine is ux_sailor, that is AKS_sailor.
Okay.
My name is Amit Sinha. Yeah,
so guys, you have got the information of the Facebook link, you have got the information of the Instagram link. This is an amazing guy. You need to join him. You need to do these things not only in Jamshedpur but all over India. We need to do these kind of things to make this a better, cleaner place. And this is the initiative that one person can take and make such a huge difference. Just think about it, if each and every one of us takes some initiative, some responsibility, what we can do. So this is Abhishek signing off from the Friendly Banters. Meet you soon.